Trump just admitted that a recession is likely. It's probably inevitable at this point. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm confused. I thought we've been in a recession already. Shit been tough for me since 2020. You mean to tell me there's more? God damn. Everybody I know already living check to check damn near. It's gonna get worse? What the fuck? Fucking recession. I already can't buy a house in this damn country. I haven't ate eggs in 2 months. Now this? Tighten your boots. Tighten your boots. Tighten your boots, ladies. I guess the roller coaster's going for a big dip now.